Assalamu alaikum. I am Tayyib Hassan from Pakistan. आज जो टॉपिक हम ले रहे हैं वो है मैस ऑफ अर्थ जी ज़मीन की कैफियत, और वो मालूम करेंगे बग़ैर तराजू के थ्योरेटिकली। इसके लिए आपको दो चीज़ों का इल्म होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। नंबर एक है लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन, कानून तजाज़ुब। Every body in the universe attracts every other body with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. Mathematically, we can write as F is equal to G, E capital, M1, M2 over V square. Now, secondly, we will discuss about weight. The force of Earth by which it attracts a body towards its center is called weight. तो आइए मास ऑफ अर्थ को हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं। सपोज ये हमारी अर्थ और ये इसका सेंटर है, इसका मैस है M कैपिटल, और इसके ऊपर ये एक बॉडी पड़ी हुई है, इसका मैस M स्मॉल। द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन center of body and center of earth is R capital। और ये भी ध्यान में रखिएगा बात कि ये जो बॉडी है ये यहाँ पर इधर, यहाँ पर इधर, इधर किसी भी जगह रखी जा सकती है, क्योंकि हमारी जो अर्थ है वो इन बॉडीज को अट्रैक्ट करेगी, लिहाजा इनका नीचे गिरने का तो कोई सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता। पर यहाँ मैं बॉडी दिखा रहा हूँ। वी प्लेस द बॉडी अपॉन द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ, इट्स मैस इज M स्मॉल while the mass of earth is M capital. Now according to law of gravitation, Newton law of gravitation, F is equal to G capital M1 M2 over V square. If we apply law of gravitation upon this system, we can write this equation as F is equal to G capital M small over radius square. हमने थोड़ी देर पहले डिस्कस किया वेट को। वेट is the force which is present between earth and our body. The force by which earth attracts to any body is called weight. Now formula of weight is equal to mg, or this weight is equal to that force. We can put W instead of F. W is equal to G capital M small over R square. We know the value of W, that is equal to mg. Mg is equal to G M small over R capital. Mg is equal to G capital M small over radius square. If we divide both sides of the equation by small m, then we will get G is equal to G capital M capital over R square. We want to isolate M capital, that is mass of earth. Mass of earth हमारा टॉपिक है mass of earth. GM over r square is equal to g small multiplied by r square on both sides and divide on both sides by g capital. We will get m is equal to g r square over g capital. Now we can calculate mass of Earth by the following formula. M is equal to g small r square over g capital. Now we know the values of g small, gravitational acceleration, which is equal to 9.8 meter per second. We will take this value as 10 meter per second. That is nearly equal to 9.8. Now r is equal to 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter. That is the distance between mass m and that is Earth, center of Earth, is equal to radius of Earth is equal to 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6. यानी ज़मीन और जिस्म के दरमियान जो फासला है वो रेडियस के बराबर है और रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ कितना है 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 मीटर. Now gravitational constant G capital 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Now putting the values of G small, R capital, G capital inside this equation, we will get M is equal to G small 10 meter per second, R 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter whole square over 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Now we will take square of this value 6.4 exponent 6 square, that is equal to 4.096 into 10 raised to power 13 meter square times 10 meter per second divided by 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11. Now 1 Newton is equal to 1 kilogram times 1 meter per second kg meter per second m square kg minus 2. अभी देखिए मीटर स्क्वायर, ये मीटर स्क्वायर से कैंसिल होता है. s रेज़ टू पावर माइनस 2 ये कैंसिल होता है और ये मीटर इस मीटर से कैंसिल होता है और बाकी वैल्यूज़ को हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. 4.096 into 10 raised to power 13 into 10 is equal to M is equal to 4.096 into 10 raised to power 14 over 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 kg पॉजिटिव 1 है और उसकी वैल्यू है kg minus 2. Now divide this value by this 6.67 exponent minus 11 is equal to m is equal to 6.1409. Now kg 1 minus 2, m is equal to 6.1409 into 10 raised to power 24 over kg minus 1. अगर हम इस वैल्यू को ऊपर ले जाए m इज इक्वल टू होगा 6.1409 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. नाउ दिस इज द मास ऑफ अर्थ. और ये अब अंदाज़ा कर रहे हैं कि 6 के साथ आपने 24 ज़ीरो को प्लेस करना है और इतने kg जो है वो मास ऑफ अर्थ होगा.